Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Going to school, I had to learn to power nap. So if I fall asleep for 5 minutes and wake up back, refreshed as new. Some people. Fast asleep.
Have you ever climbed to the falls at Dunn's River, or maybe you went on the zip line or gone in the water park? Well, you've never seen Dunn's River like this. Guys, I don't know if I'm dressed apart because I see people in water boots, but we will see.
My group in here?
You know my style still, you know. Just slippers are really put in, you know my chopper.
Everybody on my group in here who thinks that them know, you're not even going to know say what. Yes. And you're also going to see a lot of cool stuff that you don't know about Dunn's River. So one of the first things we want to check, we want to check to see everybody's shoes are right. Make sure you're in a comfortable clothes.
That's man flip-flops. Someone there flip-flops.
No man, the flip-flops can't work. Oh come on, we know him already, him can't manage.
Falls' new product. Come with me, we're gonna take a hike.
evening for coming here.
Wonderful addition to the current offerings here at the Dunn's River Falls. Our wonderful team has put together this great trek. You're going to be going up little hills. You're going to be spending time with nature, and you're going to be enjoying a fun-filled day. So to you all, we welcome you here to Dunn's River, and remember something. Now you're a part of the Dunn's River family. So come often and come all the time. All right? Welcome. You see, I like how you think.
So one of the cool activities that we do, we always ask people when you walk on this bridge to come up with a name that you think we could give to this bridge. Wow, right, so this is the beginning and this is our cool bridge. So let's go, let's go. To eat it. One of my professors at UWI always tell me this. All plants can be eaten, some only once. You do not want to beat the plant that they eat only once. Right.
Then go downwards and basically take over the tree that is there. But
Right.
Go from the top down. Feeds on the other tree, throws it out. And then I guess eventually
It becomes the
it's
tree.
all over again, right?
Alright, so this tree is, other mic, which is right, is a banyan tree or it's a strangler fig. So imagine somebody has strangled.
Right.
So Robin, which tree I grow up over?
This grew up over bread nut tree.
Alright.
See the next bread nut down there?
You see that big one there?
Yeah.
So if I look in the middle of it, the bread nut tree is still there.
Yeah.
And what them use bread nut do, Robin?
Feed animals.
Right?
And human can take it make tea.
In Jamaica we have three kind of parrots. And the yellow, black bill, but we also have what we call the Jamaica parakeet. So what it does, it's the only bird we have that builds its nest in an active termite mound. And you know why it would do that, right?
Eat up termite them.
No man, why would you build a nest in it?
Eat
In a life?
the termite them, you know.
No, security. To protect your kids. Which predator are going to go in there, so? In here, so full of termites. We call it the Forgotten Falls. One of the cool stuff about it, as when you go to Dunn's River, you see a lot of falls. This one is coming from a cliff. So this is what they call prickly yellow. So it has this lovely yellow flower. And one of the key things where the people come in here for art, they take the spines off. So when they get old, or when the tree get bigger, you get the, or if he's a herbs man, you know about it.
Guys, this is definitely not for the faint of heart, but it is so good. I'm drinking some water and I'm getting back on the trail.
Group. So right, so people normally, you have the one that you rub on your foot. This is not the foot. This is the liquor what they drink. You use a similar stuff for the pain. The pain is pimento. You put the rum, beer rum, and the insect in it. And that's why you drink for belly pain, period pain, foot pain, anything. This was also the movie set. Robin, what's the movie they did up here? Leite XP. Alright. That's an old fan with somebody. That's not. Right.
So we've come to the end of our hike and I absolutely enjoyed this. I'm sweating a little bit. Yeah, absolutely enjoyed it. I think my favorite part was just learning more about the Jamaican culture and things that are endemic to us, and doing it while seeing the river just running through and just seeing the beautiful trees, the different kinds of trees. And you know, I think it was a mixture of adventure and education, and that I appreciated today.
And then we make them count. This is a different species based on the amount of teeth it have. So when them get
somebody else.
Yeah, and sometimes you see two of them are fight for the shell, you know. Yep. Like a mice shell, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man. So they go into some of these in our land snail shells. Yeah. So the bigger they get, so like him, when them get bigger, they need a bigger shell. So bigger man need bigger shell.
Bigger house.
Bigger house, bigger breakfast.
No, absolutely loved it.
Good.
But I want to know from you.
So what, you guys not going in the, we
need
need you guys to come in the nursery and see what.
You know, just pay me.
Let's go.
Let me tell you, it was.
Let me show you, come on.
Number one.
Good.
I loved that most of the tour was just a lot of shade and it was cool, so it didn't feel overwhelming.
Right.
And the hike isn't difficult.
No.
So I loved that.
Good.
How much work went into all of this?
A lot. Months and months of work behind the scenes before we actually even built out the trail. And just big thanks and shout out to the SADCO team, the Center and Development Company. They did all of the groundwork for building it out along with our team lead Denise. But months we've been prepping for Tek A Hike since sometime last year. Yeah, so yeah, and I'm happy you came and I'm happy you enjoyed it.
Definitely.
You know, I hope you come back.
Yes, definitely coming back.
And bring your kids.
I was
kid
just about
friendly.
to ask
Yes.
if it's kid friendly for those who may want to bring
This
their
is the
children.
family trail. So in the long run, what we want to do is develop different product offerings at the world famous Dunn River Falls and Park to include different trails. So for persons with different fitness levels, persons with different interests. So what you just experienced was the family trail. So it's definitely kid friendly. So we invite you to come back soon.
Definitely,
back
definitely. We'll be
soon.
back soon.
Yeah.
And of course, we invite all of you to come to Dunn River Falls, their new Tek A Hike.
Yes.
It's absolutely amazing. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we climb the falls. Hike. Hike all of those.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.